Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will continue the male reproductive system from epididymis. Epididymis is a duct-like structure that is 6 meters in length. It has three regions: head, also known as caput epididymis, middle region, corpus epididymis, and tail region, cauda epididymis. Its function is to store sperms for few hours to few days until it attains its physiological maturity. Before coming on to the various glands, let's see the labeled male reproductive system. See, testes release sperms and it gets stored into the epididymis. From epididymis, it will be transferred through vas deferens to urethra. लेकिन यूरेथ्रा में आने से पहले यहाँ पे एक ग्लैंड प्रेजेंट है दैट इज नोन एज सेमाइनल वेसिकल ग्लैंड. वो अपना सिक्रीशन यहाँ पे इस वास डिफरेंस के रीजन में सिक्रीट करता है. अगर आप देखें तो वास डिफरेंस थोड़ा सा पहले नैरो था और जैसे जैसे वो यूरेथ्रा के पास आया इसका थोड़ा सा डायमीटर बढ़ गया है. एंड दिस सोलन पार्ट इज नोन एज एम्प्यूला. सो एम्प्यूला इज द रीजन वेयर स्पर्म्स भी पहुंचते हैं और सेमाइनल वेसिकल्स के सिक्रीशंस भी सिक्रीट होते हैं. एंड देन दिस सिक्रीशन ऑफ स्पर्म्स and seminal vesicle goes to the urethra from both the sides. Now, from urethra, it reaches to urinogenital duct, and this urinogenital duct also gets secretions from prostate gland and Cowper's gland. And through this urinogenital duct, the semen or the secretions, it reaches to the penis and is expelled out. This region, the union of ampulla and the duct of seminal vesicle, is known as ejaculatory duct. The skin or the foreskin of the penis is known as prepuce, and the bulged portion of the penis is known as glans penis. अब बात करते हैं various glands की. The very first one is seminal vesicles. It is in pair and it looks like long pouches with muscular wall. ये secrete करता है sperm activating substances. It is a nutritive fluid and alkaline in nature. Those sperm activating substances are prostaglandins. It activates the sperm and it also acts in the contraction of female reproductive tract. Fructose. It is a respiratory substrate for sperms, and citrate, inositol and several proteins work for the maintenance of sperms. Next gland is prostate gland. It is a singular gland and it secretes slightly acidic fluid, and this fluid consists of citric acid, calcium, phosphate, fibrinogen and fibrinolysin. These upper three secretions helps in the maintenance of sperms. But fibrinogen is used when the fluid from seminal and prostate glands mixed up, and this fibrinogen helps in the coagulation of those fluids so that the energy of the sperms can be conserved by preventing its motility. But afterwards, fibrinolysin comes into action and the semen liquefies. Next gland is Cowper's gland or bulbourethral gland. It secretes alkaline mucus that neutralizes the acid of urine remaining in urethra, and this mucus also helps in lubrication of passage. The secretions from glands, that is seminal vesicles, prostate gland and Cowper's gland, plus the sperms from testes are togetherly known as semen, and its pH is 7.2 to 7.7. The 25% of the semen is from prostate gland and 60% of the semen is from seminal vesicles. Now we are looking onto the transverse section of penis. When the penis is cut transversely, then there will be posterior section and anterior section. The posterior section has two structures known as corpora cavernosa, and these red spiracles are the blood vessels. And the anterior region has a structure, a little bit of larger single structure, that is corpus spongiosum. It has blood vessels and urinogenital duct. Corpora cavernosa and corpus spongiosum are the vascular erectile tissues, and these tissues help in erection of the penis due to the availability of blood vessels.